Okay, I did a review recently of Kwix Snax for the ZX Spectrum, and I wanted to show you the differences that the Commodore 64 version have, because it seems like a almost completely different game. So this is going to be Kwix Snax for the Commodore 64 by Codemasters. So let's load up the game. Okay, this is Kwix Snax from Codemasters, the Commodore 64 version. Here's the title screen, so I can start the game. Now, as you can see, it's completely different for a start. Look at this. So we can start the game. Since when did this come into it? With a castle. And you can choose your weapon. What on earth? So this is completely different. Now, as you can see, everything about the Commodore 64 version is totally different, as you can see. So you have to collect these little guys right here, and they follow you. Have some of that. I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad game, but it's just, I don't know why it's called Kwix Snax, because it's a completely different game than the original. Well, the Spectrum version, and the Spectrum version I presume came out before the Commodore 64 version, or if not the same time. It's just a completely different game. What you gotta do is you gotta take these little mites and put them in here, and you get points for each one. So you gotta get them all. Come here, you little shit. Yeah, go back in. So they go in. There's obviously another one somewhere, which I've got to go and fetch. Have some of that. Oh, you fuck. So I'm dead. I'm dead right now. So there's one of them little mites running about somewhere. There he is. Come here, you little shit. Let's take him back to the door. Have some of that. Missed him. So we got to take him to the door. Now basically I've completed the first round, so stage 1 complete. Actually I've got no courage bonus and no mystery bonus. So now on to level 2, round 2, Casual Vulture. Now basically you get to choose your weapon again. I'll have the bomb. Now the colours are different. It's basically the same principle again. This time I've got bombs, so I can leave them. So I didn't get killed then. So that's basically Kwix Snax, Commodore 64 version, and I'm sure you'll agree it's completely different than both the Spectrum and the Amstrad CPC versions. So that's Kwix Snax. Kwix Snax for the Commodore 64 gets a 7 out of 10. Good boy!